Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna make it short and sweet today. I'll be installing a lip kit. So I got, a couple months ago, I picked up a J's lip and Type R side skirts. They're not real, they're fake, but I'm poor, so I don't really care. Yeah, my dad actually painted the kit. I was gonna record the painting, but then I forgot. So the match is pretty good. We got the paint from, I already forgot fucking where. CarQuest. We did a primer layer, and we did 2 primer layers and then 3 coats. So it's about 2 cans and then 1 can of primer. And then I sprayed the top with 2K gloss. Installing these should be super easy, I hope, knock on wood. I'm gonna get started probably with the front lip because it looks mad. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, since I'm installing the front lip first step we want to do is clean the surface here. So I just got some soap and water. And I'm just gonna clean it up a little. You should call her. Yeah, make sure the surface is clean. That's already too much soap. I washed the car the other day, there's already bugs and shit on it. Also, if you really care about the paint, maybe not you do what I'm doing. But since I really don't give a shit and the front bumper is fucked up, so you can see the dirtiness on it, and it won't stick to dirtiness. So right now I'm just wiping it down with alcohol, so it'll be clean. Yeah. I don't know why you're recording.
Testing.
So right now I'm just prepping the 3M tape to get on the car. You want to do like this right here. So when it's actually on the car, you can just pull the tape out. But if you make a mistake in it, you can pull it off easier. Damn it. Something like that. Just make sure the tag's out. Okay, prep the 3M so that we can rip the tags off later. Before you ask, I'm not rich enough to 3M the whole lip. I'm actually kind of poor. Make sure the tags are on top. Alright, tell me when you're ready. Boom, that's it. Damn, that match is good. Super tight fitment, I just gotta push that in. So now we're gonna don't push it in yet. Now we're gonna push it in and rip the red and the white tags off and then heat gun the 3M on. Now I will proceed to self-tap 2 screws to secure the front lip. Fuck it, sending it. Oh, I'm scared. Shit.
Oh my.
God damn it. Well, the hole's there, so YOLO. There we go. There we go. She's in. I just stripped the fuck out of those. Oh, they're in. That's all that matters. I'm recording this one.
It's okay.
Okay. See, I didn't want you to record because I didn't want to show the people that fucking big ass hole in my, in my fender liner. God, please don't tell me you got that. Done. Oh shit. Alright, now that the front lip is on and it's looking pretty nice, it makes a huge change if you've seen it in the beginning. So now we're going to move on to the side of the car and put on the side skirts. That's flip the other way because I'm stupid. Anyways, as you can see, 3M, same shit with the Type R, the J's lip. I only put sparing amount of 3M because I'm poor. But if you have the rep skirts, this is the most important part right here because this is the part that kind of, and from what I know, this pops out the most. So that's why I put most of the 3M. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. You good? Get back down. R Type R. God damn it! Type R side skirt is on. Drill 2 holes here. So in the future, I'm gonna do holes that fit the clips there. But for now, self tappers will do the job. Also, I don't think I recorded, but I had to lift the car out and take the wheel out so I can drill 2 self tappers there. I had to do a pilot hole, but fits pretty good. All right, everyone, that should be it for this video. I'm just touching up the 3 of them around and just heating it up, so make sure it's a little sticky. Thank you for watching. If you want more future content on the Acura CSX / Honda Civic Si 8th generation, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This thing just fucking pulled out again, dude.